Welcome. Today we explore the most extreme weather records ever documented. From scorching heat waves to bone-chilling cold snaps, join us as we uncover the stories behind these incredible records. Let's begin our journey. Before we venture into the scorching depths of Death Valley, let's take a moment to understand the science behind such extreme temperatures. What makes certain places on Earth so incredibly hot, while others remain relatively temperate? The answer lies in a combination of geographical and atmospheric factors. First, consider the role of latitude. Regions closer to the equator receive more direct sunlight throughout the year, leading to higher average temperatures. But latitude alone isn't enough to explain the searing heat of Death Valley. Altitude also plays a crucial role. Death Valley sits at 282 feet below sea level, creating a natural basin that traps hot air. This low elevation prevents hot air from escaping, leading to extreme heat. Now, with this knowledge in mind, let's delve into the specifics of the highest temperature ever recorded on our planet. Deep within California's Mojave Desert lies Death Valley, a place where the mercury soared to 154 degrees Fahrenheit or 68 degrees on July 10, 1913. This is the highest air temperature ever recorded on Earth. The ground radiates unbearable heat, challenging even the hardiest creatures. Death Valley's low elevation traps hot air, intensifying the heat. Clear skies and relentless sun further bake the ground, making it a land of extreme conditions. As we traverse from the scorching heat of Death Valley to the icy grip of Antarctica, it becomes evident that our planet is one of astonishing extremes. But how do humans manage to survive in such hostile environments? How have we adapted to endure these seemingly uninhabitable conditions? In Death Valley, the few who call this place home have developed unique strategies to cope with the relentless heat. Early settlers built their homes using thick adobe walls, which provided insulation from the searing temperatures outside. Modern inhabitants rely on advanced cooling systems and hydration techniques to stay safe. The indigenous Timbisha Shoshone people have thrived in this harsh environment for centuries. Their knowledge of the land and its resources a testament to human resilience and adaptability. Both environments, though starkly different, highlight the incredible ingenuity and determination of the human spirit. These extreme conditions push the boundaries of human endurance and innovation, offering valuable lessons in resilience and adaptability. From the sun-drenched deserts of California, we journey now to the Earth's southernmost continent, a land shrouded in ice and perpetual winter Antarctica. This vast frozen wilderness is one of the most extreme environments on our planet. Here, at the Soviet Union's Vostok station on July 23, 1983, scientists recorded a bone-chilling temperature of minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 53.6 degrees Celsius, the lowest ever observed on our planet. Imagine, if you can, the air so cold that it stings your skin, every breath a struggle against the frigid temperatures. The cold is so intense that it can freeze exposed skin in minutes. Metal becomes brittle, batteries drain rapidly, and even frostbite poses a constant threat. The extreme cold affects not just the human body, but also the tools and technology that scientists rely on. This is the reality of Vostok Station, a place where human endurance is tested to its very limits. The scientists here must be prepared for anything, from sudden blizzards to equipment failures. The extreme cold of Antarctica is a result of its unique geographical location and the tilt of our planet's axis. This combination creates conditions unlike anywhere else on Earth. During the long winter months, the continent is plunged into perpetual darkness, allowing temperatures to plummet to unimaginable lows. Before we turn our attention to the terrifying tornadoes of Oklahoma, let's first explore another incredible example of nature's fury. On April 10, 2010, Barrow Island in Western Australia experienced an event that would go down in meteorological history. During Tropical Cyclone Olivia, the world witnessed the highest non-tornado wind speed ever recorded, a staggering 253 miles, or 407 kilometers per hour. Picture yourself on this remote island, the air thick with tension, as the cyclone approaches. The wind howls with an intensity that seems almost otherworldly, each gust stronger than the last. Trees bend and break, structures shudder under the relentless pressure. The very ground seems to tremble in the face of this unstoppable force. Tropical cyclones unleash their power over a much broader area, affecting hundreds of miles with their devastating winds and torrential rains. Cyclone Olivia was no exception, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake and etching its name into the annals of extreme weather events. And now, as we shift our focus back to the tornadoes of Oklahoma, let us remember the lessons learned from Barrow Island and the incredible forces that shape our world. Witnessing the highest wind speed. On May 3, 1999, a monstrous tornado descended upon Bridge Creek, Oklahoma. Wind speeds reached an astonishing 253 miles or 407 kilometers per hour, the highest ever recorded on Earth. Imagine the deafening roar, the ground trembling as this force carves a path of devastation. Houses reduced to rubble, trees uprooted, and vehicles tossed aside. The 1999 Oklahoma tornado is a stark reminder of nature's destructive potential and the importance of early warning systems. The coldest wind chill ever recorded. In the vast, frigid expanse of Antarctica, where temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows, one particular event stands out in the annals of climatological extremes. On July 21, 1983, at the Soviet Union's Vostok station, the already bone-chilling temperatures were compounded by ferocious winds, creating the coldest wind chill ever recorded on our planet. The temperature registered a mind-numbing minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, but with the howling winds factored in, the wind chill plummeted to an astonishing minus 191 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 53 degrees Celsius. This is cold beyond comprehension, a cold that seeps into your very bones, a cold that no amount of clothing can truly shield you from. The relentless winds racing across the icy plains strip away any semblance of warmth, leaving behind an environment so hostile that mere minutes of exposure can lead to frostbite. The Vostok station, perched atop the East Antarctic ice sheet, is one of the most remote and inhospitable places on Earth, a true testament to human endurance and scientific curiosity. But what causes such extreme wind chills? It's a combination of the already low temperatures and the katabatic winds, powerful gravity-driven winds that rush down the slopes of the ice sheet, accelerating as they descend. These winds can reach speeds of over 100 miles per hour, turning an already frigid landscape into a deadly freezer. The 1983 Vostok event stands as a stark reminder of the extremes that our planet is capable of. It highlights the challenges faced by those who venture into these icy frontiers in the name of science and exploration. The data gathered from such inhospitable locations is invaluable, providing insights into our planet's climate and the mechanisms driving these extreme conditions. As we continue to push the boundaries of exploration, the lessons learned from places like Vostok Station remind us of the resilience and adaptability required to survive in the harshest environments on Earth. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, no matter the cost. The heaviest rainfall in a day. The island of La Réunion, a jewel in the Indian Ocean, is no stranger to tropical downpours. Known for its lush landscapes and vibrant culture, this island often experiences heavy rainfall, but nothing could have prepared its residents for what was to come. On January 7th and 8th, 1966, a weather event defied even the most seasoned islanders' expectations, leaving an indelible mark on the island and its people. Over just 24 hours, 71.8 inches of rain fell on the village of Fok Fok, transforming it into a watery landscape. Imagine rain falling in sheets so dense that visibility was reduced to mere feet. The sound was deafening, a constant roar that filled the air. Rivers overflowed, landslides cascaded down mountainsides, and the ground trembled under the weight of the water. The air grew heavy with the relentless downpour, creating an almost surreal atmosphere, as if the island was caught in a never-ending storm. This was a rainfall event for the record books, setting new records and challenging our understanding of weather patterns. A rare confluence of meteorological events created this unprecedented weather phenomenon. A slow-moving, moisture-laden air mass became trapped over the island's volcanic peaks, continuously feeding the downpour. This led to days of relentless rainfall with no end in sight. The islanders could do little but watch and wait. The steep terrain funneled the torrential downpours into the island's valleys, creating powerful streams and rivers. The 1966 Fok rainfall event serves as a stark reminder of the immense power of water and the devastating impact of extreme weather events. The devastation was immense, with homes destroyed, lives disrupted, and the landscape forever changed. It underscores the importance of understanding and adapting to the ever-changing patterns of our planet's climate. The deadliest tornado outbreak. On the 3rd and 4th of April 1974, the United States experienced one of the most devastating tornado outbreaks in recorded history. Known as the super outbreak, this series of violent twisters tore through 13 states, leaving a trail of destruction and heartbreak in its wake. Over those 2 harrowing days, a staggering 148 tornadoes touched down, some reaching the highest category of intensity, F5, with winds exceeding 260 miles or 418 kilometers per hour. Imagine, if you will, the sky darkening, the air growing still, and a sense of foreboding settling over the land. The roar of an approaching tornado is unmistakable, often likened to the sound of a freight train barreling towards you. The sheer force of these storms is unimaginable, capable of reducing homes to splinters and hurling vehicles through the air like toys. Entire communities were left in ruins, lives shattered in an instant. The super outbreak was not just a meteorological event, it was a human tragedy of immense proportions. Over 300 people lost their lives and thousands more were injured. The emotional scars left by such a cataclysmic event are deep and lasting. Families were torn apart and the landscape was forever changed. The resilience and determination of those affected, however, shone through in the aftermath as communities banded together to rebuild and recover. The science behind tornado formation is complex, involving the interaction of warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico with cooler, drier air from the Rockies. When these air masses collide, they can create powerful thunderstorms capable of spawning tornadoes. The super outbreak was a perfect storm of conditions, with a powerful jet stream adding to the instability in the atmosphere, resulting in the unprecedented number of tornadoes. This event serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of nature and the importance of preparedness and awareness in the face of such threats. It underscores the need for continued research and advancement in meteorological science to better predict and mitigate the impacts of these deadly storms. The super outbreak of 1974 remains one of the most significant and deadly weather events in history, a testament to the ferocity of tornadoes and the indomitable spirit of those who endure their wrath. As we look to the future, the lessons learned from this tragic event continue to guide our efforts in understanding and preparing for the extreme forces of nature. The largest hailstone ever recorded. On July 23, 2010, the small town of Vivian, South Dakota, found itself at the mercy of a monstrous thunderstorm capable of producing hailstones of extraordinary size. The residents of this quiet town were no strangers to severe weather, but nothing could have prepared them for what was about to unfold. One such hailstone, measuring a staggering 8 inches in diameter and weighing in at 1.93 pounds or 875 grams, crashed down from the sky, etching its place in meteorological history as the largest ever recorded. Imagine the sky darkening, the air thick with anticipation as this icy behemoth plummets towards the earth. The atmosphere would have been electric, charged with the tension of the impending storm. The impact, upon striking the ground, must have been deafening, a testament to the sheer force of nature contained within this frozen projectile. Hailstones are formed within the turbulent updrafts of powerful thunderstorms. These updrafts lift the hailstones high into the storm cloud, where they encounter supercooled water droplets. Supercooled water droplets freeze onto tiny particles in the air, creating the initial layers of ice that form the core of the hailstone. As these hailstones are repeatedly tossed up and down within the storm cloud, they grow larger, accumulating layer upon layer of ice. The 2010 Vivian hailstone serves as a reminder that even amidst the tranquility of a summer's day, the unexpected can occur. It's a tale of extreme weather, a story etched in ice and etched in the annals of meteorological history. The ultimate lightning strike. On June 22, 2007, the skies over Oklahoma City lit up with a display of nature's raw power. It was here, during a severe thunderstorm, that the world witnessed the longest lightning bolt ever recorded. Stretching an astonishing 235 miles across the sky, this single continuous strike illuminated the night and etched its place in meteorological history. The unique conditions of the Oklahoma storm allowed for a bolt of unprecedented length, a true testament to the extraordinary power contained within our atmosphere. The 2011 Oklahoma lightning strike is more than just a record-breaking event. It is a vivid reminder of the awe-inspiring and often terrifying capabilities of nature. This record-setting lightning bolt stands as a beacon of nature's untamed beauty and power. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the extremes of our planet's weather. From the searing heat of Death Valley to the bone-chilling cold of Antarctica and the deluge of record-breaking rainfall, we've witnessed nature's power. Remember, these events remind us of our planet's delicate balance. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our natural world. Are you ready to witness most extraordinary weather events ever recorded? Join us as we uncover the awe-inspiring power of nature. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Stay tuned.
For more such videos, subscribe to the channel.